Hey, I know you want to watch this video, but let me tell you something that will put money in your pocket. You see, most people have good products and services, but because many people are not aware of their products and services, they cannot make as much as they could. Facebook and Instagram advertisements help your business and products or services become popular. Popularity always wins over expertise. However, this is not meant to downplay expertise. But if you are an expert and popular, it is always better than someone who is an expert and not popular. You make more when you are an expert and popular at the same time. The key to making the most out of that product or service is to distribute it like crazy. Use Facebook and Instagram ads to distribute it to as many people who need it as possible. You don't need too many products to be wealthy, but you can be wealthy through well-distributed products or services. One of the best ways to get your products and services in front of an ideal audience is through Facebook and Instagram advertisements. Gain access to our Facebook ads course, link in the description of this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media pages to learn more.